Jamaal the RX. That's my producer name. And I'm from Santan Valley. Yep.
Santan Valley?
Yep.
Where's that at?
It's right below Gilbert and Queen Creek.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Cool. I've never heard of it. Do you live here now, or do you come here from out of town?
Yeah, I came from out of town about an hour and 20 minutes.
Oh, okay. So you come for pushing buttons all the time, or is this your first time?
This is my first time here, actually.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
How did you hear about pushing buttons?
Surprisingly, I heard about this organization from PBS. I was watching PBS one day, and you guys came up, and I was like, yo, I didn't do something like that. So now I'm here.
Oh, nice. What kind of music do you do, or what do you produce?
I do a variation of music, like hip-hop, R&B, house, gospel. Like, I'm trying to get into gospel, and I'm also trying to get into jazz and, drum and bass. Like, I'm trying to expand, basically what I can do. So.
Yeah. So what can you do? Like, what is your instruments that you work on with? What do you work on now? Like, the instruments that you work on?
Well, right now, I'm using FL Studio. I use an audio tool. Also use a Yamaha motif. And pretty soon I'm about to buy a bass guitar, so I can start really, playing live instruments on my tracks.
Oh, nice. Do you perform a lot, or?
Well, recently, for the past 2 years, I've been performing at Beat Mecca, Beat Lab, also at the Arizona Hip Hop Festival.
Oh, okay, cool. How long have you been doing music for?
For 2 years, like on and off, I would say about 12 years.
12 years?
Yeah.
Producing music, or?
Yeah, just making beats at home. Like, a lot of times, life gets in the way. Like, right now I got 2 jobs. I was going to school, so it's like trying to find,
balance?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Do you work with a lot of other local artists? Do you do collabs a lot, or do you just?
Right now, I'm looking for an artist. So far, I put out an ad on Craigslist, Facebook, and so far I haven't hooked up with anybody to make music with. So I'm definitely looking for an artist
to work with. All right. Well, are you hoping that tonight you can probably make some connections and maybe find your artist or something? Or
I hope so, but it's late, so it may not be out. We'll see.
Do you have any other events coming up? Do you do any other shows, or is this?
Right now, this is it until until summertime, or like June, July, that kind of stuff.
Yeah. Where can people find your music and stuff?
You can find me on Instagram, Man of the Sun. You can also find me on SoundCloud at Kamen, that's KAMENRI. And you can also find me on Facebook, which is Jamaal the RX.
Jamaal the RX?
Yep.
All right, cool. Is there anything else you want to add? You want to do some shout out or something?
Yeah, shout out to Beat Mecca, shout out to Beat Lab, Arza, Kuliana. That's it.
Cool. Well, all right. Well, thank you.